Hello everyone. Let's see few of the name reactions. The first one is Mitsunobu reaction. Generally we know that formation of ester is the condensation between alcohol and acid. But the OH group of alcohol acts on carbonyl carbon of acid and forms esters with retention of configuration. In this case, the important feature of Mitsunobu reaction is due to presence of triphenylphosphine and diethyl azadircarboxylate. These two components play an important role so that the formation of ester is with the inversion of chiral center bearing OH group in the starting material. Let's see what is Mitsunobu reaction. It is the conversion of primary and secondary alcohols to esters, phenyl ethers, thioethers and various other components. In this case, strongly acidic nucleophile, that is carboxylic acid, is used as diethyl azadircarboxylate Bs2 nitrogen, which are nucleophilic in nature, and hence due to presence of strongly acidic component, these two nitrogens get protonated and side reaction are prohibited. Let's see the mechanism. In first step, triphenylphosphine is interacted with one of the nitrogen of diethyl azadircarboxylate, and in consequent steps it forms carboxylate anion or ion, which in sequence of steps produces ester with inversion of center. Meanwhile, the two components of the reaction get converted into their side products. Triphenylphosphine get oxidized to triphenylphosphine oxide, whereas diethyl azadircarboxylate get reduced. So, important feature of Mitsunobu reaction is the reactions proceeds with the inversion of stereogenic center. Now, look over the general reactions. See, in this first case, stereochemistry of alcohol is shown here. Alcohol and carboxylic acid get reacted to form corresponding ester. In first step, this ester is with inversion of chiral center at the OH bearing carbon. But here it is shown application of Mitsunobu reaction, which simply indicates in second step on alkaline hydrolysis that ester get hydrolyzed and again alcohol is formed, but due to Mitsunobu reaction the stereochemistry is already inverted and we get inverted alcohol. Let's see the second example. In this case, here is nucleophile and shows after Mitsunobu reaction stereochemistry at this chiral center is inverted. In last example there is given azide formation with inversion of stereochemistry. Now see Staudinger reaction, which is also known as Staudinger reduction. It is the mild reduction of azides to amines using triphenylphosphine. As we know, it is the reduction, then it can also be carried out by using catalytic hydrogenation. But due to catalytic hydrogenation, some other functionalities get also reduced. So selectively these conditions reduce only azides to amines. Let's see the mechanism. In first, triphenylphosphine reacts with azide to generate phosphazide, and which on rearrangement loses nitrogen to form iminophosphorane, which on hydrolysis provides corresponding amines. These are general reactions. Azide is converted into amine in presence of triphenylphosphine. Here it is given, instead of triphenylphosphine, diphenylphosphine supported to the polymer is used as reagent for mild reduction of azide, forms phosphanazide, and ultimately after hydrolysis it gives amine. This is application of Staudinger reaction. In this case, azide is not converted into amine. Instead of hydrolysis, here it is and it generates amides instead of amines. Lastly, we will discuss about Nafe reaction. This is the conversion of nitro compounds into carbonyls in two steps. First is the treatment with strong base and second is the treatment with strong acid. Let's discuss the mechanism of Nafe reaction. As nitro compounds are relatively strong carbon acids, these are on deprotonation by a strong base leads to form nitronate salt, which further treated in presence of strong acids and undergoes hydrolysis to produce corresponding carbonyl compounds. This is the mechanistic pathway shown here. The hydrolysis step can also be performed with Lewis acids such as titanium chloride, iron chloride, or other oxidizing agents such as oxone. Here it is shown in first step, in presence of base, nitroalkanes are converted into nitronate salts, and in second step, in presence of acid, undergoes hydrolysis to form corresponding carbonyl compounds. And the second mechanism is shown, hydrolysis in presence of oxone, which undergoes cyclic mechanism to produce corresponding carbonyl compounds. Let's see the general examples. First step is strong base, second step is acid. Nitroalkane is converted into nitronate salt by abstraction of this CH by H- hydride base to form nitronate salt. Then on reaction with Lewis acid and hydrolysis, it converted into corresponding carbonyl compound. Here it is shown in presence of DBU base. This is the example shows nitro compound is converted into corresponding carbonyl. In first case, the reagent uses metal and second is concentrate acid. These are references which are also known to you. Thank you.